Chapter 5. Queries, Forms and Reports in MS Access. In MS Access, we can manage our information in one database file with queries, forms and reports. We can apply queries on the tables only when the relationship exists between the tables. A form is nothing more than a graphical representation of a table. We can use a form to add, update and delete records in our table. A report is an effective way of displaying and printing the data in an organized form. Let us know how we can. Queries in MS Access. A database system consists of large amounts of data in the form of multiple tables. A query can be used to view, change, and analyze the data of a table in different ways. Besides, it can also be used to retrieve information from a table or group of tables according to a specific criterion. The results displayed by the query are also a source of records for creating forms and reports. Suppose you have a database table of employees' details and you want to view the details of the employees whose basic salary is between 15,000 rupees and 30,000 rupees. In such a case, you can create a query. Creating a query. We can use the design view to create a selected query manually. The design view gives us more control over the details of the query design. A query in a database system is a request for information from the database. The results could include generated data like tables and graphs. You can create a query by following the steps given below. Step 1. Click on the Create tab. Step 2. Choose the Query Design option to open the Show Tables dialog box. Step 3. Select the table on which you would like to generate your query. Step 4. Click on the Add button. The selected table is added in the query window. Step 5. Click on the Close button. The query window. The query window allows us to design and manage various aspects of a query. It is divided into two panes. The top pane displays the table selected for the query. The bottom pane displays a design grid where we can add fields to the query and also specify the criteria. Let us understand the design grid. The design grid shows the following headings. Fields, a row that displays the selected field from the table. Table, this row displays the name of the tables. Sort, this row is used to filter the data in ascending or descending order. Show, this row displays a check mark which indicates that this field will be visible when the query is executed. Criteria, this row is used to specify the condition on the basis of which the records will be filtered. Or, this row is used to specify multiple criteria. Using a query. To use a query, we need to add fields, specify the criteria in the design grid and then run the query. Follow these steps to create a query based on the student table to display the records of the students whose age is more than 13. Step 1. Choose the required field from the drop-down list of the field row in the design grid or simply double-click on the field from the table in the top pane. Step 2. Select the order of sorting in the sort row. Step 3. Specify the criteria in the criteria row. For example, in this case, type greater than 13 under the age column and save the query. Step 4. Now, to see the result of the query, click on the Run option on the Results group in the Design tab of the ribbon. The result of the query is displayed in the datasheet view showing only those records that satisfy the criteria. Tech fact. A parameter query is a type of select query that prompts you for input before it runs. The query then uses your input as criteria that controls the results. Forms in MS Access. A form is a database object that is used to enter, edit, delete or display data in a database. It resembles a fill-in-the-blanks sheet that we would complete by hand, such as a job application. MS Access links the form to a table and stores the information that we put in the form into the table. A form is a very good option to use when we have numerous fields in a table. This way we can see all the fields in one screen, whereas if we were in the table view, data sheet, we would have to keep scrolling to get the field we desire. Creating a form. To create a form, select the table for which we want to create the form. To create a form, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the table or query on which you are basing the form. Step 2. Click on the Create tab on the ribbon. Step 3. Click on the form in the Forms group. Access creates a form and places all the fields of the selected table on the form. Use the navigation bar to move through the records on the form. There are 3 views in which a form can be displayed: Form View, Layout View and Design View. To switch between the views, click on the View option from the Format tab on the ribbon. The 3 views get displayed. Form View is used to enter or edit data. Design View is used to adjust the design of our form. Layout View is used to change the format of our form. In the Layout View, click on the Format tab and then click on the Auto Format option and choose the desired format from the gallery of the styles. Reports in MS Access. A report is an effective way to organize and present data from our Access database. It enables us to format our data in an attractive and informative layout for printing or viewing on screen. Creating a report. To create a report, select the table or query on which we want to create a report. To create a report, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the table or query upon which you want to base the report. Step 2. Click on the Create tab on the ribbon. Step 3. Click on the Report option in the Reports group. Access creates a report and places all the fields and the corresponding records of the selected table on the report. There are 4 views in which a report can be displayed: Report View, Print Preview, Layout View and Design View. We can change the format of report by using the Auto Format option in the Layout View. Print Preview, it allows us to see what the report would look like on a printed piece of paper. Report View, it allows us to see the data without having to display it in Print Preview. Layout View, it allows us to make changes in the design while browsing our data. Design View, it gives us a more detailed view of the structure of our report. Knowledge Zone. MS Access is a cost-friendly database management system that helps to save lots of time in creating a database. In MS Access, a query requests information from a database and creates a datasheet of the requested information. MS Access can be easily amalgamated with Word and Excel. In fact, whatever data gets stored in Access can be used in any MS Office application.